Let's go over how to create an invoice. We show you how to add customers, product and services to an invoice, and then how to save and send them. Let's start by looking at the customers list. Select customers from the side menu. The customers list keeps track of who you sell things to and provides services for. It also gives you the current balance for each of your customers. Use it to see what customers owe you, or sometimes what you owe them. Let's create an invoice for an existing customer. Go to the plus icon and select invoice. The first thing is to record the customer's name. Notice that SalesGURU populates both the billing address and email address for the customer. That's because this info was already in the customers list. However, if you add a new customer, you can do so by just typing in the customer's field. If you want to send an invoice to more than one email address, use a comma between each one. The invoice date should be the day you send the invoice, or if this transaction happened in the past, the date you issued the invoice. Due date should be the day you expect the customer to pay the invoice. In the product and services area, enter what you are charging the customer for. If you set up the product and service ahead of time, you'll see the sales description and price you entered earlier. You can also enter or change these while you create the invoice. Add as many product and services as you want. There are more options further down the form. You can enter a message to include on the invoice. Press Create to save the invoice. Create and Send will enable you to directly email the invoice to the selected customer. Now, you're ready to create your own invoice.